What if I told you that the father of modern physics, the man who unlocked the secrets of gravity and calculus, wrote more words on alchemy and theology than on science? What if I told you that he spent decades secretly trying to decode the hidden codes of the Bible? And what if I told you that the greatest genius of the age of reason nearly destroyed his mind by poisoning himself with mercury, and that he predicted the world would end in 2060? This is the story of Isaac Newton and the darkness they kept hidden for 300 years. Sir Isaac Newton is remembered as the father of modern physics, the man who discovered the laws of gravity, the inventor of calculus, the embodiment of the age of reason, a time of logic, science, and enlightenment. But that is only half the story. In 1936, over 500 years of Newton's private papers were auctioned. What they revealed shocked the world. Newton wrote over 1 million words on alchemy, more than he wrote on mathematics and physics combined. He spent years trying to turn base metals into gold, searching for the philosopher's stone, and attempting to decode the secrets of the universe. He also wrote 1.4 million words on theology, analyzing the Bible, calculating the date of the end of the world, and attempting to uncover hidden codes he believed God had embedded in Scripture. The man who gave us the laws of motion believed he could decode God's secret messages. Here is the question that haunts historians. What drove the most brilliant mind of his age to abandon reason for madness? The answer lies in a secret laboratory and a vial of liquid poison. Newton's interest in alchemy was not casual. He built a secret laboratory, conducted experiments for weeks at a time, and recorded his findings in coded notes. He worked with mercury, the element that would nearly destroy him. Mercury is a neurotoxin. Inorganic mercury can damage the brain, nervous system, and digestive system. Newton didn't just handle it, he tasted it. He recorded the sensation: strong, sourish, ungrateful. Here is the hidden truth historians have uncovered. Newton's hair, analyzed in 1979, contained 15 times the noble level of mercury. He was poisoning himself for decades. The symptoms of chronic mercury poisoning are unmistakable: insomnia, inability to sleep, digestive issues, nausea, loss of appetite, memory loss, forgetting words, losing track of thoughts, paranoid delusions, believing others were plotting against him. By 1693, Newton was showing all of these symptoms. Newton wrote letters during this period that betrayed his mental state. To Samuel Pepys, the famous diarist, he wrote, "I have not ate nor slept well this 12-month. To John Locke, his friend and intellectual ally, he wrote a letter accusing Locke of trying to embroil me with women. Then he wrote, 'Twere better you were dead.'" Here is the question no one could answer. Was Newton's breakdown the result of mercury poisoning, or a psychological collapse? The debate continues, but the evidence points to mercury. It took a year for Newton to recover. He eventually regained his sanity. He left alchemy behind. He became master of the mint. He was knighted. He died in 1727, revered as the greatest scientific mind of the age. But the darkness never fully left him. Newton believed the Bible contained hidden prophecies, encrypted messages from God that could be decoded with careful calculation. He predicted the world would end in 2060. His calculation was based on reading the book of Daniel and adding 1,260 years to the year 800 AD, the date of Charlemagne's coronation as Holy Roman Emperor. He did not publish this prediction. He kept it hidden. But he did leave a fallback position to 1370. Here is the question that haunts us. If Newton, the father of modern physics, believed the world would end in 2060, was he mad? Or was he simply the first to see what we still refuse to see? Newton died in 1727 at the age of 84. He died rich, famous, and revered. His funeral was attended by the highest dignitaries in England. He was buried in Westminster Abbey. The man who unlocked the secrets of the universe hid the most important secrets of his own life. Now let me ask you some questions. Number 1. Was Newton's madness the price of his genius? Or was it the cost of trying to unlock secrets the universe was not ready to reveal? Number 2. If the father of modern physics believed the world would end in 2060, should we be worried? Number 3. What other hidden secrets are buried in the lives of the great geniuses of history? And finally, what story have you been eager to see on this channel? Subscribe to History's Hidden Darkness for more stories of the strange, dark, and untold.